This is a swatch book that I received from one of our licensed printers off their digital label press. This is a company called Meyers. They're up in Minnesota. So this is their swatch book for color logic that they can provide their clients who can take a standard foil substrate or label stock and they can create 250 metallic colors based off the press. And so again, it's a metallic substrate with cyan, magenta, yellow, and black from Meyers Digital Press that produced 250 gorgeous colors. And since Meyers is producing it off the press, they know they have a accurate color communication system. So when their clients go and say, I like that metallic color, they can go into the Illustrator palette, choose the color, and it already populates it with the correct CMYK. Or they can add onto a digital file off their press. They can up to 250 metallic colors plus a variety of decorative effects. I want to thank Meyers for providing this to us. They're a great partner. The nice thing about the color logic, everything we do is at the design stage that just takes advantage of whatever the press that in this case Meyers has invested in, but it gives them an accurate color communication system for metallic colors.